Ridecell is a company that's been in the business for 10 years working on the digital transformation of fleets. And what we do, one thing that most other companies haven't thought about yet as it relates to the entire industry of vehicles, is getting the key that we're all used to having in our pocket and moving that to the cloud. And when you move the physical key and make it something digital that you can access and give people access rights to, it changes how you access and use your fleets. And that simple act of moving the physical key to the cloud is the basis for our digital transformation platform. Using keyless technology, we're able to automate having the car lock itself when a delivery driver gets out of the vehicle with packages in their hands, keeping the rest of the packages in the van safe. If there's no authorized driver present and we detect that the vehicle's moving, we can immediately flag that as being stolen. Or if the check engine light's on and we detect that before the driver's shown up for their shift, we're able to do things like issue the driver a key to a different van. Hey, your normal one's out of commission, and then also issue access rights to the service people that will come repair the vehicle. All of these are automated workflows that really change how fleets are managed and used.